In this section, we'll share some care and cleaning tips to keep your TimberTech decking looking its best for as long as possible. Do not use TimberTech Deck as a work surface. Protect the deck if additional work is being done on or near the deck surface. Do not drag or slide anything with force across the deck boards as it may damage the surface. Care should be taken to protect the surface of the deck during construction. Knee pads and work boot soles can leave marks on deck surface. Using boot coverings and moving with caution can ensure the surface stays clean of marks and scuffs. Be sure to clean the deck surface properly upon completion and consistently as needed in the future. Use TimberTech Deck Cleaner and pair with a stiff natural fiber brush for TimberTech Advanced PVC deck boards, or a medium stiff nylon brush for TimberTech composite boards. Follow directions in the TimberTech Care and Cleaning Guide to properly clean the deck surface. Work in small manageable areas. Scrub with and against the grain direction. Thoroughly rinse cleaner residue from deck surface. Do not allow cleaner to dry or evaporate on the deck surface before rinsing.